Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is morning routine, weekday versus weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy. Excuse the little friend I've got turning up on unannounced. Guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up and keep your notification bells on as well. And if there's any videos you guys do, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.